So weeks are busy, and when you have a particularly busy week, it's stressful enough. But what happens when you have a really busy week and then on top of that, the unexpected happens? So consider the following scenario. It's Saturday, and you're looking ahead at the week to come. You have to post to the discussion board in your online class and complete a midterm by next Sunday evening. You also have to plan a birthday party for your best friend. However, your boss has told you that she is shorthanded at work and will need you to cover an employee shift the same day of the birthday party.
Now take a few minutes to think about these questions. How would you prioritize or order these tasks? What can you do to make sure this all gets done and that you do well on the midterm? How could good planning make the week less stressful?
So, was it easy or difficult? Did you come up with some good ideas? I know that for me, it helps, remember, to break these tasks up into smaller blocks. But also, I always remember that I have a support group. I have friends and colleagues that I can call on for help. So if it was my girlfriend's birthday party, I know that I would call up a few other friends and I would ask them to help me plan. What would you do, Mike?
You know, I would remember also that I have friends in the class, and I would communicate with my instructor, who hopefully I've been communicating with all semester, and just tell them what's going on and see if they have any suggestions or strategies that I can use to use my time more efficiently. I would also talk to my fellow students and see if there are ways maybe we could get together and look at studying things so that I can manage my time well. And also, I would remember me, do a little exercising, make sure I get sleep, because, in the end, if you're too stressed out and you're not sleeping, you're not working out, it's going to make you a lot less efficient. And then it's going to end up wasting time in the long run.
Right, and keep things in perspective. Most of these tasks are week-long tasks. So at the end of the week, you're going to make it. You're going to be just fine. And so perspective is everything. You want to make sure that you stay disciplined and motivated throughout this entire process using all of the skills that we have talked about so far.